In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira Work Management for event planning. If you're organizing an event and want a clearer way to manage tasks, deadlines, and team responsibilities, Jira Work Management can help you keep everything in one place. It's especially useful when you have lots of moving parts, like vendors, marketing, logistics, and registrations all happening at the same time. To get started, open the Projects menu and click Create Project. From there, select a Jira Work Management template. Choose the template that best matches the way your event workflow is organized. Then enter a project name that fits your event, something like conference planning or company event, and click Create. This gives you a central workspace where all event-related activities can live. Next, begin creating tasks for each major part of the event. Click Create and add tasks for things like venue selection, vendor coordination, guest invitations, marketing activities, budget planning, and event setup. As you create each task, include useful details such as a description, a due date, a priority level, and the assignee. The more specific you are here, the easier it will be to stay organized later. Once your tasks are in place, organize them with categories or labels. This helps you group related work and makes it much easier to filter and find tasks quickly. For example, you might use categories like logistics, marketing, finance, speakers, or registration. As your task list grows, these labels become very helpful for keeping everything structured. Jira Work Management also gives you several project views, and each one serves a different purpose. Use the list view when you want to see and manage all tasks in one straightforward layout. Switch to the board view to track progress visually as tasks move from to-do to in progress to completed. The calendar view is useful for monitoring deadlines, while the timeline view helps you plan milestones and see how work is spread across the event schedule. As your project develops, assign tasks to the right team members. Open a task, select the assignee field, and choose the person responsible. You can also add comments and instructions to clarify expectations and reduce back and forth later. Managing deadlines is a big part of event planning, so be sure to add due dates for important tasks. Set reminders for key moments like vendor confirmations, payment deadlines, marketing launches, and registration closing dates. Reviewing the calendar regularly will help you catch issues early. For vendors and other external work, create separate tasks for each one. Include important details like contact information, contract status, payment status, and delivery deadlines. You can also attach related documents so everything stays connected to the task. To save time, go to Project Settings and open Automation. Create rules to send deadline reminders, assign recurring tasks, update task statuses, and notify teams when work is completed. Finally, review your event progress using reports or dashboards. Keep an eye on completed tasks, remaining work, team workload, and upcoming deadlines so your event stays on track from start to finish.